Hi guys, and welcome to this Bootstrap 4 video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. Well, in this video we're going to see how to fix the No Padlock problem in Google Chrome. If you look up here in the corner, we've got a SSL, we've got a HTTPS going on here, but we haven't got the padlock because we've got a mixed content warning. If you click on that, it tells you this site's not fully secure. That can be a little off-putting for some people. It doesn't really matter about this. There's no transactions going on. But I would like to see that padlock there. So I want to fix it. And to do that, I'm going to just take this URL. This is a Bootstrap 4 website. I'm going to copy the URL. And I'm going to go to a site that's called Why No Padlock. I'll put this link below the video. And simply I'm going to paste the link into there. Check that I am not a robot. Capture. And hit test page. That was pretty quick. Now let's have a look. I've got a bunch of check marks here, which is good. This one, protocols, I'm not going to bother about that because it actually says this warning won't break your padlock. And I'll probably upgrade to version 2 at a later date on my server. Now here is the problem, form failure. And it's dmos.org search. So what we need to do, it even tells us this form needs to be updated to HTTPS. At the moment, it's just HTTP. So that's pretty easy to fix. I've got my file manager open on my server. So I need to navigate to this page and edit it. You can do it in a text editor such as brackets or something if you prefer to. Download it and do it that way and then re-upload it. I'm just going to go ahead and do it this way. There it is. Now I'm going to edit. And if we look back, dmos.org, and I happen to know that's a search bar I got at the bottom of the page here somewhere. Yeah, right there. So I can go all the way down to the footer and take care of that. So I'm going to scroll all the way down. And it'll just be above the JavaScript, I imagine, if it's a footer. Be just above here. What I could also do is hit Control F and write DMOZ, which was that word. Okay, and there it is right there. It's found it right away. There's the first instance of it. Let's just have a look. Second one's below it. That's not a problem. Third one's below it. Might want to. That's a link. And there's the next one. So all I need to do is go in. Is that the fourth one? Yep, that's all of them. And put an S on there. Let's just check. There's nothing else. Yeah, that's the only one. The search right there, which is the one I think I've just edited. Yeah, there's the search right there. Don't need to change the actual link itself. That's fine. Now let's save this. Save changes. Now let's go back to the site. Go back up to the top. And when I reload this site, hopefully that padlock should appear there. There it is. Now I've got several other pages I need to do for this site, and it's going to be pretty much the same thing on every page. I pretty much guarantee it. Some sites you're going to have a few errors. That one was pretty easy, but it's the same method for everything. You just have to go through and correct correct the errors that they've given you on this No Padlock site here, which is a really useful little tool. Like I say, I'll drop this link below the video here today. So there you have it. That's how to get your padlock back on your Bootstrap 4 website. Of course, this will work for HTML sites. It will work for WordPress sites. The only trouble with WordPress sites, you may have to add a plugin such as search and replace, or you may have to manually go into the PHP and change some of those things there. I'll probably make a video about that at a later date. So there you have it. How to fix your no padlock problem on your Bootstrap website. Really easy, worthwhile doing to get that extra bit of security. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, take a look down below. We've got some great free web development courses, as well as some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. So do take a look. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.